Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Yesterday my paper pumpkin kit came, and so we're going to make a paper pumpkin card, and it will be different than all of the suggested ones, although I'm still using things from the kit. We will start out with the green card base. We'll use the stamps. We'll use Real Red ink instead of Garden Green. We'll use some of those. I haven't decided which ones. And we will use this. So we're going to cut the flap off the envelope. And we are going to put it on the bottom. And put a little here along the edge. And we'll center it. And we will trim off the edges. Okay, we are going to be using this punch out, and we will stamp on it. And here's the stamps. We're going to use Life is Sweeter with You. And flip it so it's right side up. We will put some Stampin' Dimensional. Well, let me close my ink. And we will put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. And maybe we will wait a second. We'll use one of these strawberries. And put it at the bottom. So since a little bit will be hanging off, we won't put glue right on the bottom. We'll stick this on our card front. And we'll use a couple of these little flowers. Maybe we'll use 3. Actually, we'll put that one on a dimensional. We'll just glue these on. Okay, here's my first paper pumpkin card for the July Paper Pumpkin Kit. Thanks for watching. Please sign up for my newsletter to get a inspiration in your inbox every week. And you'll also get a free tutorial when you sign up. Just go to www.nindiescreativecorner.com and click on the newsletter tab. There will be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.